Hi, welcome to Let's Talk Forex. I'm Alison.
And I'm Chris. And today we're going to give you into a sneak peek into our latest podcast episode with Aaron Hill, who's the head of research at FP Markets.
Yes, so in the episode that we recorded, we only recorded the audio version. And so this is basically an intro to that podcast, which I'm sure you'll find very interesting. The link will be in the notes below. So Aaron's journey is a fascinating one. He actually started in creative writing and English, and he was teaching abroad, and one day came across one of his colleagues who was looking at the Aussie chart and became absolutely intrigued by, trading and how to make money online.
Yeah, no, it's a story we hear over and over again, isn't it, Alison? People start out in life in one way and then just kind of run into finance, forex trading almost accidentally, and then it just gets sucked in and just fall in love with it. Yeah, so Aaron's now a technical analyst, but he's not just any analyst. He's the head of research at FP Markets, and he's an award-winning head of research at FP Markets. Recently won an award for technical excellence at the Dubai Forex Expo a couple of months ago. And he's gone back to school. He's got his CMT 1, 2, and 3, which is Chartered Market Technician. And he's gone back to university as well to get his degree in economics.
Yeah, he's quite remarkable, really. And we also talked to Aaron about whether he's found these qualifications have helped his trading or whether he thinks they're necessary to become a trader. And his answer was quite interesting. It wasn't what we expected.
Yeah, exactly. No, it was a lot of I felt a lot of the interview was like that. A lot of ideas that people have about forex trading, and he kind of turned them on its head.
Yeah.
A little bit. Really fascinating stuff. And for beginners, he shared invaluable advice, I thought. He broke down how to put together a rules-based strategy and why balancing technical and fundamental analysis is really essential when you're just starting out trading.
Yeah, I found he had a very balanced approach to trading. He's not a hard or a die-hard technical analyst. I found he was very balanced in his view and very honest and very modest, which is what I liked about him. And he also recommended, he gave us a lot of advice for beginner traders, particularly. He talked about the instruments he started with and where his focus is now. And he also spoke about, managing risk and just the importance of managing risk and, what pitfalls he experienced in his trading career up to now.
Yep. And in the risk side, we talked about leverage. There's a lot of regions in the world where you can get leverage up to 1,000 to 1 or even higher. And again, I think his answer will surprise people. He's talked a lot about position sizing and how to manage your risk in a high leverage situation. Yeah, really, really fascinating stuff.
Yeah, I love the fact that he didn't just sort of dive into the leverage question. He looked at it, as you said, from a risk management point of view, which was, again, a very modest way to look at it. Just, especially if you look at how brokers sell leverage or sell high leverage as a positive. And, as you said, he really turned that on his head. We asked Aaron about the trading platforms specifically available at FP Markets. So FP Markets offers MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, and its own in-house trading platform. And Aaron really spoke about what trading platforms he uses and then what he would recommend for beginners, which was also very interesting.
Yeah, exactly. It was, again, an answer you might not expect. And then we actually talked to him about, the markets itself, and especially the volatility that we've seen in 2024, everything from the Bank of Japan rate hike earlier in the year all the way through to Trump's election and the madness that's seeing in the markets now. And Aaron really unpacked a lot of these macro events, and we took a forward look as well on what we can possibly expect in 2025.
Yeah, I found that very exciting. Yeah, and of course, we don't want to forget crypto. Aaron was talking about, what crypto could hold for 2025, particularly looking at who Trump has just appointed for the SEC, Paul Atkins, and his, he very pro-crypto, of course. And Aaron also spoke about how to manage risk, and then he talked about his long-term outlook for the crypto market.
Yeah, exactly. So if you're serious about improving your trading or just curious about how a professional analyst and forex trader thinks, you don't want to miss this episode. It was a really fantastic one.
Yeah, absolutely. Check out the episode. You'll find it on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or Podbean. And you can also find it on our website. So look out for that one. I'm sure you'll find it really interesting and inspiring.
And don't forget to subscribe and like, and follow us for more insights, for more from other top industry analysts. We're going to have a packed roster in 2025.
Cheers, Chris.
Cheers, Alison.